Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kavu Creative. It's been more than a year since my last video, and I've really missed creating tutorials for you. Today, I'm back with something fun. Let's design a beautiful butterfly in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. First, double-click on the Artboard tool in the toolbar. Next, check mark on Show Center Mark in Display section. Then press OK. Select the Rectangle tool from the toolbar. Hold the Alt key and left-click on the center mark. Set both the width and the height to 70 pixels. Press OK. Change color using Eyedropper tool. Now, select Transform from the Expand panel. Set the top left and bottom right corners radius to 40. Press OK. Change the color using the Eyedropper tool. Select the Ellipse tool from the toolbar. Hold the Alt key and left-click on the center mark. Set the width and height to 50 pixels. Press OK. Again, change the color. Select the Ellipse tool. Hold the Alt key and left-click on the center mark. Set the width and height to 35 pixels. Press OK. Once again, change the color. Again, select the Ellipse tool. Hold the Alt key and left-click on the center mark. Set the width and height to 18 pixels. Press OK. Select all, then right-click and choose Group. Adjust it to the bottom left side of the cross. Change the color using the Eyedropper tool. Select the Rectangle tool from the toolbar. Hold the Alt key and left-click on the center mark. Set both the width and the height to 120 pixels. Press OK. Now, select Transform from the Expand panel. Set the top right corner's radius to 110 and set the bottom left corner's radius to 60. Press the Enter key. Adjust it to the top left side of the cross. Select the Pen tool from the toolbar. Press Ctrl+Y to switch to Outline View. Draw the line as I've shown. Press Ctrl+Y again to switch to normal preview mode. Now, select them and choose the Shape Builder tool. Create the shape as I've shown. Change their colors using the Eyedropper tool. Select the Rounded Rectangle tool from the toolbar. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Artboard. Set the width to 20 pixels. Set the height to 120 pixels. Set the corner radius to 20 pixels and press OK. Change its color using the Eyedropper tool. Select the Direct Selection tool from the toolbar. Select the bottom part, hold the Shift key and drag it downward. Now, adjust it as I've shown. Select the Arc tool from the toolbar. Swap Fill to Stroke. Increase the stroke width, and set the stroke cap to round. Hold the Shift key and draw the antennae as I've shown on the head. Select left sides of the butterfly and right-click and select Group. Now, right-click on it, choose Transform and select Reflect. Choose the axis as vertical. Click on Copy. Hold the Shift key and adjust it to the right side of the butterfly. Swap stroke to fill, and select the white color. Select the ellipse tool. Hold the Alt key and left-click on the head. Set the width and height to 5 pixels. Press OK. Adjust it. Then hold Shift plus Alt key and drag to make a copy on the right side. Change the color using the eyedropper tool. Swap fill to stroke and increase the stroke width and set the stroke cap to round. Select the pen tool. Draw marks on the body of the butterfly, as I do. Hold the Shift and Alt keys, then drag it downward. Press Ctrl plus D multiple times to repeat it on the body. Select all, right-click on it, and choose Group. Align it to center. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this butterfly design. It feels great to be back after more than a year, and I truly appreciate your support. If you liked this tutorial, hit like and subscribe for more creative content. See you soon with another design adventure.